Hello everyone, today let's talk about how to judge the quality of rubber oil seal. The first one is the code identification on the end face should be consistent with the requirements. The second is the surface should be flat and smooth without defect and deformation. This three is the rubber oil seal with frame should be in correct shape, and the end face should be in a round shape. When placed on the glass plate, it should be fitted with the glass surface without distortion. The fourth is the outer edge of the frameless oil seal should be straight and the end face should be flat. It should be deformed by hand and can be restored to the original shape after losing. The last one is for rubber oil seal with spring. Look at this spring. The spring should be free of rust and deformation and can be firmly clamped in the spring groove.